With this, artificial intelligence will rule humans. Well, there isn't much in this world that artificial intelligence can't rule over, and over the last few years, whether it's a humanoid robot or a technology that can help blind people see, AI has made massive strides. However, the biggest disadvantage of AI is that it can theoretically rule over anything. But are humans its next target? Hello and welcome back to this channel. Everyone, if this is your first time visiting, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Before we get started, make sure to press that notification bell to ensure that you receive all of our channel updates well on time. This video will discuss another fascinating yet bizarre aspect of artificial intelligence that is far more powerful than human intelligence. Do you believe that any level of artificial intelligence development in the coming years will be able to replace what human intelligence is capable of? And do you believe AI breakthroughs will pose the greatest threat to the human population and ultimately replace it? Keep an eye on this video to find out. Now let's begin! It's 2022, and without a doubt, this is the era where artificial intelligence is all about accomplishing the impossible and making dreams come true through technologies. In a nutshell, artificial intelligence, or AI in short, is a wide discipline of computer science concerned with developing intelligent robots, machines, and software capable of doing tasks that normally require human aid and intelligence. Honestly, AI has accomplished a lot in recent years, nearly feeling like a great gift to the cursed section of society. Nonetheless, the impact of AI on society is extensively discussed. Many say that artificial intelligence improves the quality of community life by doing ordinary and even complex jobs better than humans, making life easier, safer, and more practical. However, others claim that AI endangers people's privacy, exacerbates racism by standardizing them, and even costs people their jobs. Over time, AI has begun to feel like a curse in and of itself, capable of potentially displacing even the entire human population. Well, AI breakthroughs are huge, and with this not so new but recently discovered aspect of artificial intelligence, the technology capable of ruling over the entire human population does not appear to be impossible as it was previously. Want to know what this is? Well, it's artificial superintelligence, or ASI. Human beings and their intelligence have been considered the greatest strength in our society for almost the entire existence of the planet, even making humans rank first among the strongest and most intelligent creatures on the planet. There's hardly anything that humans can't do by using their brains. In fact, these incredible strides in the field of AI, and even AI itself, is born by them. But with the introduction of artificial superintelligence, it appears that a lot of things are now about to change entirely. In the most basic terms, artificial superintelligence, as the name also implies, is a type of higher-ranked artificial intelligence that is somewhat far ahead of human intelligence. An artificial superintelligence is almost similar to a hypothetical agent with intelligence considerably above that of the brightest and most gifted human minds. Furthermore, superintelligence is a hypothetical AI for now, that currently is best able to decode or understand human conduct and intelligence. However, it is also the only wherein machines come to be self-sufficient enough to go beyond human intelligence and behavioral ability. Now, is that not insane? In recent years, artificial intelligence has grown as one of the most popular computer science concepts, and artificial intelligence is highly likely to do what AI has failed to do for decades. What's even more interesting is the fact that ASI does not completely mimic human intelligence and behavior, but with superintelligence, machines may even consider possible abstractions or interpretations that even humans cannot consider. This is due to the fact that the human brain has a limit to its thinking ability, which is limited to several billion neurons, which artificial superintelligence is extremely likely to defy, eventually surpassing even human intelligence. Additionally, the potential and feasibility of artificial superintelligence are simply so great that they cannot be described for the time being. Well, it appears that human intelligence is about to be dethroned and subjugated by yet another fantastic AI innovation. Furthermore, in addition to mimicking human intelligence, ASI would theoretically be far superior at everything that human brain is capable of, including arithmetic, science, athletics, art, medicine, hobbies, and even emotional connections. ASI would have a far larger memory as well, as a much faster ability to process and analyze data, and as a result, superintelligent species' decision-making and problem-solving abilities would be vastly superior to those of humans. The main advantage of machines is their modularity, which allows their size or computing capability to be massively enlarged. A non-human or modified human brain, like many supercomputers, might grow far larger than a modern human brain, providing artificial superintelligence a significant competitive edge. Concerning ASI, scientists have stated that if a large enough number of distinct thinking systems communicated and coordinated well enough, they may act in aggregate with considerably more capabilities than any sub-agent, constituting a huge threat to all of us as humans. For the time being, the idea of ASI is absolutely hypothetical, despite the fact that experts have all started to make substantial use of it. However, exploring the essential foundations of synthetic superintelligence, it's far believed that if studies into ASI produce sufficiently smart software, it'll be capable of reprogramming and improvising itself, and this functionality is thought of as recursive self-improvement. It would then be even better at developing itself and might continue doing so in a fast-growing cycle, ultimately leading to the development of superintelligence. This will be referred to as an intelligence explosion. Such intelligence would not be limited by human cognition, and could invent or discover practically anything. Well, machines, without a doubt, always have the upper hand when compared to humans. They are fast, capable of performing tasks multiple times faster and more accurately than human brains. They are accurate. Well, there's no denying that machines are always accurate. However, human minds, well, that's difficult to say. Whatever it is, both machines and humans have their own set of situations in which they have an advantage. The first superintelligent machine is likely to have a huge head start in at least some areas of mental competence, such as flawless memory, a considerably superior knowledge base, and the ability to multitask in ways that organic organisms cannot. This could allow them to grow far more powerful than humans, either as a single individual or as a new species, and ultimately replace them. The real question now is whether this artificial superintelligence, or ASI, will eventually take over human intelligence and enslave it. Though there is no exact answer, because the future is truly the most dynamic and uncertain thing, AI's quick growth and formidable powers have made many people fearful of the inevitability and proximity of an AI takeover occurring very soon. The majority of experts agree that superintelligent AI is unlikely to exhibit human emotions, and there is little reason to believe that ASI will turn malicious. ASI are just machines. They don't work until they're programmed to. But experts have always warned about the potential risks and social consequences. It is currently believed that in the worst-case scenario, ASI may be trained in destructive ways to do something awful, such as going against the entire human population destructively. Fortunately, that is just a worst-case scenario. But the majority of scientists believe that would not be necessary because ASI is powerful enough to take over and enslave the entire human intelligence even without getting programmed to do so. Ultimately, the danger with ASI rests in the whatever it takes to succeed component, and the added risks with ASI aren't always about malevolence, but rather about competency, emphasizing the significance of balance. Superintelligent AI would be incredibly efficient at achieving goals of any kind, but it must be guaranteed that their goals must align with ours to maintain the much-needed balance between these two. This brings us to the end of the video. For more exciting videos like this, press the like button. You can also visit our channel and check out other videos by us to share with your friends. Well, do you think AI advancements are smart and powerful enough to replace human intelligence? Do let us know your views in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.